Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to easily download your invoice from Amazon using the app. This way, you can keep track of your purchases in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Start by opening the app on your device and tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner to access the menu. Here you go to your orders. Then find the order you want to download the invoice for and tap on it. On the order details page, scroll down and you'll see the option Invoice or Download Invoice. Tap on it, and the invoice will download as a PDF to your device. And that's it. Now you know how to download an invoice from Amazon using the app.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.